Okay. So we're back up, Kobe. Back from going everywhere. We went and ate at some Mexican restaurants, and that just popped up. Wow. So that just popped up. That's enough for me. I hear that thunder and I'm going in. So it is coming up and getting worse at the moment. It's getting really, really bad. Moving really, really fast. Really, really bad. Moving really, really fast. There's people over there in the swimming pool while all this is going on. Out of 10, do not recommend. Hi, sir. How you doing? I got Landon right there. That's his feet. Say hi to the people, Landon. Hello. I don't know if you heard him or not. Kind of scared me for a minute, Landon. Come here. When I first come out here, there was a tail hanging down here and a tail hanging down over there, and it scared the bejeebus out of me. Ooh, there's light there. I'm gonna head to the front. Go all the way to this corner. All right, so it's getting worse.
You close that part there, but don't lock it.
That part looks terrible. I was trying to figure out if there were birds or bats.
I wouldn't think any bats would be down here, to be honest.
So we just missed a really good lightning strike on the back side of the condo.
But you never know. They're flying way too fast for me to really tell, but I think they're birds.
Yeah. We're gonna walk through the condo real quick and head out the back and see what's going on out the back. Don't lock the door. Alright, so now we're at the back side. Oh my God, I've just got that. Landon, come here. I just got that. When we review the footage, Landon, you're gonna see that. That was, oh my gosh, I'm blind almost, right. It hit behind the steamed crabs and shrimp to go. It hit right behind that building.
Pretty humid, actually. If it was,
Woo! I got that one.
I was behind that building over there, that way. Okay.
We should do some more storm chasing.
It'd be nice if it wasn't so hot outside.
Yeah, well, this is going to cool it down.
Out here, probably.
This is going to cool it down. Woo, I got the... How does this keep happening? Everywhere I point the camera, like...
We're right in the middle of the storm right now.
Well,
pretty much.
Going like right around us.
We're pretty much right in the middle of the storm.
Yeah,
Lightning and then the thunder.
Trying to stay out of the rain.
That's not hard.
Got probably 10-mile-an-hour wind.
Maybe.
That one was back over that way.
It feels okay right now. It's not terribly humid out here.
No, it's not. The wind's blowing that rain in pretty good. There was, whoa! Going back in. Okay, so we're around the front of the condo building now. We were standing in the back. Just walked out to the front here so we can get a better view. Starting to rain on this side, but it's definitely worse over here. So this is going to be another video. This is not going to be part of the vlog today. Here comes the heavy rain. So the rain's moving in and the wind. This is not going to be part of today's video. This will be another video, storm chasing video. There's my truck. There's their car. That's our condo. And it keeps trying to intensify. Ooh, there we go. Now I'll step back inside for a minute.
So you can see outside.
Okay, so we're back. Landon's here.
Yeah.
I'm here.
Not dead.
We did not die. It's a miracle that we did not die. That lightning literally hit either our porch or the next porch.
It was pretty close, I would think.
That was the closest I've ever had a lightning strike encounter on video. We both
watching over TV over there.
We both almost went blind for a second from that. It was so bright.
For a second there.
He was already in the house on the other side of the condo before. That was a good one too. I got it.
Alright,
on
cool.
the other side of the condo beforehand.
Well, as soon as I saw the lightning, I was still standing in the doorway, and I heard the thunder and immediately ran across the.
Landon was all the way over there by the time I got to here, and I was just standing right out there. So, yeah.
This is fun.
This is the bad part about traveling with me. Everywhere I go, it never fails. If I go somewhere, there's going to be a tornado or severe weather. I'm just happy that I got to catch this on footage, me and him almost dying. So thumbs up that we almost died.